In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of being unable to log into Facebook. If you are facing an issue with logging into Facebook and receiving an error message saying an unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again. Don't worry, there are some simple steps you can take to try and fix the problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your device and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data and that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, poor network connections can prevent you from logging into Facebook. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using your mobile data if possible. If the internet connection is not the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Go back to the main settings page, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. And then scroll down until you see Facebook. Tap on it. What you want to do next is tap Offload app. And then tap Reinstall app. Offloading the app removes the app but retains its documents and data, and it can help eliminate any corrupt data or temporary glitches that may be causing login issues. Reinstalling the app will provide you with a fresh installation, potentially resolving login problems by ensuring a clean version of the application is in place and often fixing errors encountered during the login process. It essentially gives the app a reset, helping to address various technical issues that might have been affecting its functionality. If you are still facing the login problem, go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap VPN and Device Management. And then make sure you are not connected to any VPN. You can also reset the network settings and see if it fixes your issue. To do that, go back. And then tap where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.